Yes, it's a nightmare. Good God, it's a nightmare. Okay, so to do what should have been something very, very minor, which is thermostat, coupler, not a big deal, and lower water pump, not a problem. I can have that done in like 3 seconds flat. And we have our O-ring and everything, so we know everything's going to go back nice and tight and like it's supposed to. So I get started, and I'm like, something's not right. I need more information. So I did some research. To be able to get to do this, to get in there, I had to disconnect the throttle body, take it off, the coolant hoses that come up front, and I still have no clue how I'm going to get to that bolt right there and get that out. That's going to be a nightmare. I can get to that one now, not a problem. I've done more disconnection of everything just to get to the one part that I need to be able to do. This is absolutely crazy. So I double checked with another shop to see whether or not I'm approaching this the right way, because in general, I don't work on newer cars. Even though I own one, I don't normally work on them. I'm used to the old cars where you have room to do anything and everything, like hide entire houses in your trunk. Well, this one you can't. So that piece right, let's see if I can get that. That's the water pump cover for timing. I'm not going near that. I don't even want to take any chances. But I still have to get up into there. And also to the bolt on the other side. So I can replace that because it's leaking. Put the new rubber O-ring on it. Get that taken care of. Yeah, absolute disaster. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. But I'm not. I still got a couple hours left to go to get this done. I didn't think it was going to be that bad, so that's why I had the shop print up for me. Because we just don't have that because we don't do a whole lot of new cars. That's a nightmare. That's a nightmare. So, yay. All right, enough of my whining. Back to work.